Hey, what's up guys? It's Doodle Clubhouse, and in this episode we're going to draw the Fortnite Battle Pass icon. So we're going to start out by drawing a star. So I'm just going to draw a simple star. And sometimes the simple stuff can be the trickiest for some odd reason. Alright, so we got a star. We're not going to worry about making it too perfect. We're going to start drawing the shield around it. And we're going to start with these two lines creating a point at the top. We're going to draw two lines going down, slightly angled. So there's one line, and this is the second line. Now we're going to draw two more lines. We're going to draw two more lines, creating a point. Just like that. We're going to create another point right at the top here. We're going to draw two lines attaching off of that point that we just made. So one on this side, and then one on this side. And we're going to draw a line going down. We're going to do that on both sides. Then we're going to come and create a point at the bottom again. Now there's going to be these little ribbons that go around it on each side. So we're going to draw two curved lines. So starting with one right here, and then another one right below it. Then we're going to draw two lines, creating a point. And then we're going to do that again. And we just have to create that shape on the other side. So two curved lines, and then two lines creating a point. We're actually going to draw another curved line in the middle, right there. We're going to create some more of those pointy lines. There we go. And we have a pretty decent outline. Let's go ahead and color it in, and that should help bring this picture together.